Welcome to YouTube channel Lingareddy Chemistry JEE NEET. Today topic is aniline. Yes, today topic is aniline. Aniline is also called aminobenzene. See, the structure is benzene ring and NH2 group is there. So aminobenzene or phenylamine, because this name is phenyl. Okay, we can write like this pH also. It is also known as phenylamine. Aniline was first prepared by Unverden 1826 by the distillation of indigo. Indigo is the color of plants, which is called anil in Spanish, and hence the name is aniline. So it is derived from indigo plants. In aniline, NH2 group is directly attached to benzene ring, of course. General methods of preparation. First one, laboratory method. From nitrobenzene, see, we need one benzene ring and NH2, right? Similar compounds we are taking, nearest compounds. See here, benzene ring is there, one NO2 instead of NH2, NO2 is there. What to do then? Just oxygen को remove करके hydrogen. That means reduction करना है, right? Reduction. So that type of compounds we are taking. Nitrobenzene we are taking. Then reacting with reducing agents, these are forming aniline. Okay, nitrobenzene undergoing reduction and forming aniline. The reducing agents you have to remember tin plus HCl. The lesser quantity if you want this. If you want more quantity, that is industrial method is iron plus HCl. Iron plus HCl. So दोनों मेटल है, लेकिन iron is थोड़ा cheaper में मिलता है, that's why we are taking iron plus HCl for larger quantity. Then same. Next, from phenol. In the phenol, OH should replaced by NH2 group. So we are taking NH3. Again, the catalyst is zinc chloride. In the presence of zinc chloride, we are taking, it is removing water molecule. From here OH, from here one hydrogen, removing one water molecule at 300 degrees Celsius. Okay, we are getting from phenol to aniline in the presence of zinc chloride and ammonia at higher temperature. Next, fourth preparation from benzamide. Hoffman's reaction. In the last class we discussed. The CO is missing. Okay, the bromine and KOH. This how many moles of KOH? This is very important. 4 moles of KOH is required. Amide to amine we are getting. In case of aliphatic and aromatic. Aliphatic भी बना सकते हैं इससे, aromatic also. Same mechanism, right? From benzoic acid. From benzoic acid, that is Schmidt reaction. In the named reaction already we discussed, including mechanism. The benzoic acid is dissolved in concentrated H2SO4 and hydrozoic acid is dissolved in chloroform. When both solutions are mixed, we are getting aniline. Hydrozoic acid and benzoic acid individually we are dissolving in the H2SO4 here. It is dissolved in the chloroform. Then these two mixtures combining and giving aniline. Okay, hydrozoic acid से आने वाला वो Schmidt reaction. Next, from chlorobenzene, chlorine को हटाना है, NH2 को रखना है. So the catalyst is important. Aniline can be manufactured by the action of ammonia on chlorobenzene in the presence of cuprous oxide. In the presence of cuprous oxide, oxidation number here +1. Cuprous oxide में this cuprous chloride is forming. The cuprous chloride is forming and forming here aniline. From Grignard reagent, this Grignard reagent reaction with the haloamines and forming aniline. The byproduct is magnesium, bromo and chlorides, bromide and chloride. Right here, see this pH, MgBr is there, the minus, the MgBr plus, the chlorine is the good leaving group, NH2, this is attacking here, the nitrogen, this chlorine is releasing. Okay, like this you can remember easily. Next, from benzene, this FeCl3 is there. This FeCl3 is taking the negative part from that means OH minus is taking, so generating NH2 plus electrophile. This is attacking on the benzene ring and forming aniline. It is like Friedel-Crafts alkylation test and acylation जैसा. Next, from phenyl isocyanide, almost aniline जैसा ही है लेकिन इधर कार्बन एक्स्ट्रा है, you have to remove. Just you do the hydrolysis, then you will get here hydrogen and here OH and hydrogen and OH, like that you will get it. So aniline and formic acid you are getting. Next, from phenyl isocyanate, again you have to do hydrolysis in the presence of basic medium. Then again you are getting aniline as well, potassium carbonate. This CO with OH, actually initially it is forming H2CO3. Okay, but it is a base is there, base से react करके K2CO3 is forming, K2CO3, the byproduct. Right? So preparations over. Next, physical properties. Fresh aniline is a colorless oily liquid, but on standing the color becomes dark brown due to the action of air and light. Okay, initially the pure one is colorless, but due to oxidation it is getting brown color. Second point, boiling point is 183 degrees Celsius. It is heavier than the water because it has a benzene ring. Molecular mass also more, that's why the heavier than the water, right? It has characteristic unpleasant odor. It is toxic in nature. Toxic means you know na, poisonous जैसा. Next, side effects are there. Next, similarities and differences between aromatic and aliphatic amines. First, similarities. Both are basic. Aliphatic, see, aromatic is ArNH2, aliphatic is RNH2. Okay? Ar means benzene ring, R means methyl ethyl, like that. Both are basic, although aliphatic amines are more basic than aromatic. RNH2 is higher Kb than ArNH2. In the last videos we discussed this. Both form salts with acids. However, salts of aromatic amines are easily hydrolyzed. Both undergoes alkylation and acylation, क्योंकि इसके ऊपर लोन पेयर है. ठीक है, alkylation भी होता है उसके ऊपर, acylation भी होता है. Both react with Grignard reagent, form hydrocarbons. Both forms Schiff's base. ये कॉमन पॉइंट्स है, 5 पॉइंट्स. अभी डिफरेंस क्या है ये दोनों में? डिफरेंस ये है, aniline is insoluble in water while aliphatic amines are soluble in water. Because in the aniline, bigger benzene ring is there, so obviously benzene is not dissolved in the water. It is repel in the water, that's why it cannot dissolve in the water. But in case of aliphatic में suppose methyl amine is there, so amine is dominating than the methyl. Amine is a polar nature, so polar compounds can dissolve. One thing. The second one is here it is forming hydrogen bonds. You may ask, sir, here also hydrogen bond is there, लेकिन here bigger group is repelling, it is resisting to dissolve. Here the smaller group is there. That's why even though in aliphatic also, while carbon chain is increasing, the solubility will be decreased. Okay. Next, aniline gives a diazonium salt with HNO2, while aliphatic amines gives alcohol. It is a very important. It is a distinguished test also. क्योंकि aromatic compound with resonance, the benzene diazonium chloride formation होता है, N2 plus Cl minus. Okay. ड्यू टू द रेजोनेंस इट इज अ मोर स्टेबल, इट इज अ स्टेबल होता है. वही सपोज एलिफैटिक है N2 plus Cl minus, there is no resonance, that's why it is unstable. Okay, unstable, furtherly decomposing and forming alcohols. Okay, this is an important point for distinguish. Next, aniline undergoes coupling and electrophilic substitution reaction. ये aniline है, बेंजीन के ऊपर इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक भी हो सकता है इन बेंजीन रिंग, while aliphatic is not. Aliphatic में कोई ऐसा इलेक्ट्रोफिल अटैक होने के चांसेस नहीं है. Next, aniline has characteristic aromatic smell. Of course, aromatic compound it is. While aliphatic amines have smell like ammonia. Yes, CH3NH2 में NH3 तो ammonia, one hydrogen replaced by alkyl group. Okay, that is still it is showing ammonia. It is smell like ammonia only. But in case of benzene compounds में it is an aromatic compound. It is a dominating aroma smell is there. In case of aniline, right? Aniline gives aniline black dye with acidic K2Cr2O7, while aliphatic does not form dyes. Next, aniline gives violet color with NaOCl, while aliphatic amines does not give. So these tests we can consider as a distinguished test also. Okay, differences and similarities over. Next, chemical properties. The chemical properties, aniline is primary amine. It shows the properties of both benzene nucleus and NH2 group. So this is the benzene aniline group, aniline. So some reactions takes place on the benzene ring A. Some reaction takes place on the NH2 group. Sometimes NH2 replacing, sometimes this hydrogen is replaced. Suppose acylation is there, like that. Okay, two types of reactions are there. Next, aniline has weak basic nature as compared to aliphatic amines, already we discussed, due to resonance. Weaker basic nature of aniline as compared to aliphatic amines then can be explained on the basis of resonance. In aniline, the non-bonding electron pair of nitrogen delocalized into the benzene ring by resonance. Thus, electron density is less on nitrogen, due to which aniline is less basic than the aliphatic amines. Already we discussed this thing. Here telling that aromatic amines are less basic than aliphatic. Why means we can explain this thing by resonance. See here, due to the resonance, this lone pair is given to the benzene ring. अब ये स्ट्रक्चर में देखो, नाइट्रोजन के ऊपर देर इज नो लोन पेयर नॉट देर. सो व्हाट कैन इट डोनेट? नो, देर इज नो इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर मीन्स इट कैन नॉट डोनेट. सो दैट इज द रीजन इट इज लेस बेसिक. नेक्स्ट, ऑर्डर ऑफ बेसिक स्ट्रेंथ. एलिफैटिक इज हायर देन द अमोनिया देन एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड्स, because here lone pair is taken by benzene ring. Next, electron withdrawing groups. Whenever electron withdrawing groups are there, the basicity will be decreases the basic strength, whereas electron donating groups are there, it will be increases. So Kb is directly proportional to plus M and plus I group. Kb is inversely proportional to minus M and minus I groups. Next, aqueous solution of aniline is neutral to litmus. Okay. Next, this point also important, generally basic. Aqueous solution of aniline is neutral to litmus because it is forming like a salt. Next, reactions due to NH2 group. अभी NH2 के ऊपर what type of reactions are there we are going to discuss now. First, basic nature. So nitrogen NH2 के ऊपर lone pair is there, obviously it will attract this proton. So protonation takes place, is a forming like a salt, right? Similar reaction we observed in the aliphatic also. Then aniline reaction with HCl and forming aniline hydrochloride or anilinium hydrochloride, we can say any name. सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड से भी वही होता है, साल्ट जैसा बनते, प्लस एंड माइनस, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट alkylation. Alkylation also like aliphatic. The aliphatic what we discussed similarly. So aniline is reacting with methyl iodide and forming methyl N-methyl aniline. Next N comma N dimethyl aniline. Next trimethyl phenyl ammonium iodide is forming. Trimethyl ammonium iodide. There also quaternary salt is there. Here also similarly. Next acylation. Okay, acylation में aniline react with acid chloride or anhydride to form a corresponding amides called anylides. ये names important है here. Okay, names. This amide corresponding looks like amide. इधर से देखे तो amide है, इतना तक तो amide है, ठीक है. Amide and aniline. So this is anilamide. Okay, amide, aniline plus amide. Okay, IDE, ide, acetonylide. This is a acetyl group. Okay, acetonylide. Next benzene group है तो benzonylide. Benzyl group is there. The benzyl group, acetyl group, acetonylide, benzonylide. Next, carbylamine test. It is also functional group test. It is important in the viva also. Lab में important है. When aniline is heated with chloroform KOH, it gives isocyanide having unpleasant smell which can be easily detected. इसलिए वो identification में use करते, that is the distinguished test. It is similar. RNH2 also like this is giving, RNC is giving. Aliphatic and aromatic same reactions. Here important, the intermediate is CCl2. This is a test of aniline and other primary amines and is known as isocyanate test also. Next, Hoffman's mustard reaction. See here, actually these all reactions we discussed in the aliphatic, that's why I am moving fast. Hoffman's mustard oil reaction. When aniline is heated with alcoholic CS2, carbon disulfide, and excess of mercuric chloride, the phenyl isocyanate having a characteristic smell of mustard oil is formed. Same explanation in the aliphatic also. Okay, here phenyl isocyanate is forming. Phenyl isocyanate, just like generally we use to remove the water molecule, but here H2S को निकाल दो बस. दोनों के बीच में double bond. If the above reaction is carried out in the presence of solid KOH, diphenyl thiourea is formed. Okay, just is a note point. If the above reaction is carried out in the presence of solid KOH, जनरली हम क्या लेते, सॉल्यूशन लेते, ठीक है, और हियर KOH यूज किया ही नहीं. सपोज इफ यू यूज द सॉलिड KOH, देन डाइफिनाइल thiourea is formed. Diphenyl thiourea, that means aniline is reacting with same carbon disulfide here, this sulfur and two hydrogen from two anilines. From here one hydrogen, from here one hydrogen, H2S is releasing. So that is diphenyl thiourea is forming. If it is reacted with HCl, it gives phenyl isocyanate. Phenyl isocyanate is giving. Okay. Next, reaction with aldehydes. Reaction with aldehyde में starting से बोल रहे, बस you have to remove like this H2O. So benzylidine aniline as well, it is known as Skipp's base also. Aniline condenses with aldehyde to form Skipp's base. Reaction with Hinsberg's reagent. This Hinsberg's reagent is the reagent to distinguish primary, secondary, tertiary amines. Okay, the benzene sulfonyl chloride, just you have to remove here HCl को remove करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है? Then remaining group as it is, we can remove. So now this one is, it can dissolve in the base, so it is the primary. If it is not dissolved in the base, then that is the secondary. If there is no reaction, then that is tertiary. Next, acidic nature. Aniline reaction with sodium and liberating hydrogen. Similarly, RNH2 also same reaction in the aliphatic also. So this is the acidic nature of this one. Now, important reaction is the diazotization reaction. Very important, very important, I can say. Right? Diazotization. Diazotization is a reaction in which ice-cooled solution of aniline in an inorganic acid with sodium nitrite solution leading to the formation of diazonium salt. Okay, aniline, indirectly we are reacting with HNO2, but HNO2 to unstable, NaNO2 and HCl we are taking. So this one is forming benzene diazonium chloride. This is the half reaction, we can say, benzene diazonium chloride. From this benzene diazonium chloride we can prepare so many compounds. It's a good intermediate. Okay. So from this benzene diazonium chloride, so many compounds we can prepare. We can see in the next slide. Benzene diazonium chloride is a useful synthetic reagent. It is used in the preparation of many organic compounds. Yes, note point here. Coupling between arene diazonium cations and amines. Arene diazonium cations and amine takes place most rapidly in slightly acidic solution. The pH range is 5 to 7. That means weak acidic nature. Under these conditions, the concentration of the arene diazonium cation is at a maximum. At the same time, an excessive amount of the amine has not been converted to unreactive amine salt. Okay, this pH ranges should be 5 to 7. In that case, benzene diazonium chloride reaction with phenol, it is giving para-hydroxyazobenzene. It is giving orange dye. At the same time, if it is reacting with aniline, it is giving para-amino-azobenzene is giving. Para-amino-azobenzene. See, I will write the structure here. Aniline is there. In this aniline, the para position hydrogen N2 plus Cl minus. This is the benzene diazonium chloride. Right? This benzene diazonium chloride is attacking at fourth position of aniline. Okay, para position. See here, HCl is removing. ये दोनों के बीच में N2, you can see. Okay, aniline, this one. So similarly here, if you keep it OH, same. OH also like that. Para position में attack होता है. Next, benzene diazonium chloride reaction with beta naphthol and forming a red color. The colors also important here. This is the forming phenol से orange dye, ठीक है? Aniline से C, yellow color. If you react with the beta naphthol, that is red color is giving. Next, oxidation. Aniline forms a number of products depending upon the nature of oxidizing agents. Nature of oxidizing agent, you can see NH2 by adding one oxygen, NHOH, then again more oxidation, NO, then more oxidation, NO2. That depends on these reagents. See, it depends on the strength of the oxidizing agent. This is giving different compounds. KMnO4 is good oxidizing agent. In the acidic medium, it is a strong oxidizing agent. This strong oxidizing agent may, the aniline is giving aniline black, a dye is giving. alkaline KMnO4 is the least oxidizing agent nature. In that case, it is forming azobenzene. It is forming azobenzene. See the aniline here, PHNH2, one more PHNH2, just removing these hydrogens, forming azobenzene. Neutral में azobenzene plus nitrobenzene. Neutral में KMnO4 का oxidation power is increasing. That's why one is azobenzene, the another one is nitrobenzene. थोड़ा oxygen आ गया तो. Next, chorus acid, peroxysulfuric acid, it is also known as nitrobenzene plus nitrosobenzene. See, oxidation strength is increasing. Nitrosobenzene. Next here, trifluoroperoxyestic acid. It is a strong peroxy group is there, so strong oxidizing agent. So it is converting total NH2 group into NO2 group. So nitrobenzene is forming here. Then potassium dichromate as well, concentrated H2SO4 is there. It is strong parabenzoquinone. पूरा NH2 को निकाल दिया और para पोजिशन में भी ऑक्सीजन आ गया. Parabenzoquinone. Then NOCl is there. NOCl, para-aminophenol. Violet color is there. Para-aminophenol. HNO3. In the presence of HNO3, it decomposes and it is reacting with aniline in the presence of atmospheric gas or air. In the presence of light, it is giving dark red color. Okay, these are the chemical properties. Maximum, this is the extra syllabus, you can say that JE syllabus. Next, benzene diazonium chloride we can discuss in the next class. Okay, thank you.